Import Alliance is this weekend. Well, today is Import Alliance, and I'm so excited because this is my favorite show of the year. Let's hope it can top LS Fest, because that was the best show of the year so far. But throwback to last year, because this was my first video I ever did, and it's funny because we're in line and we're in the same exact spot that we were. Like, it's just as far backed up. And Ronnie just reminded me, like what I said last year with Coomer and I, we're still pretty big outcasts here.
Savage, get ready.
That's the wrong lane, buddy. But yeah, I still don't know how appreciated I am here.
Hey, Philbeck, I think there's water to our left. You can just go ahead and park. We'll meet up with you.
I fucking hate you guys. And I need to move forward.
I was just like,
it looks nice. It's fitment's perfect.
yeah, I told you. If I got a wheel, that's a wheel.
This one is perfect. This is the S2K that's gonna make me want an S2K, all right?
Like passing gas. You can learn how to wrap it up.
What?
Event for drifting.
Alright, so the past like 30 minutes, Ronnie's been bitching because he's hungry, and I gave him $10 because they don't take cards here. And you said you got pickpocketed?
Dude, this bitch, she literally bumped into me hard as fuck, and I didn't have $10 out. I'm just saying.
You still owe me $10, man. And you didn't get your food. You still hungry?
I'm not happy.
Oh fuck, it's funny. Oh! 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 It's got to stop! Oh my god! It's got to stop! It's a Chevy Sonic, but people are still geeking over it because it looks pretty damn good.
I don't like this.
You don't like how it's like square?
I don't like how it's like an oval body, everything curved. There's no straight edges on the Z at all.
And then until you get to Nismo, yeah. I feel you, but I don't know.
It looks fucking good, dude.
I still love it. If I got a 350, I'd put a Nismo body kit on or get a Nismo.
So do your wheels touch your bags?
he's like, oh, it's okay. You can have another one. And then he was like, wait, it's kind of dirty. I was like, yeah, we're working on our cars. And, and
So
if
if he
got
would-
grease on it. I mean,
If he wouldn't have examined it. All right, so we decided to go walk through the showcase one more last time because it's 2:30. This thing closes down at 5, and we're gonna go walk through the showcase. And Ronnie was going to return his shift knob that he got from Grip Royal because it rattles. It got loose and it rattles. Pause. It rattles. So we take it over there, and Ronnie lies to the dude. He says, yeah, we put it on, and it just started rattling. Even though he's been using it for the past, like, just a month and a half. But still, he paid $80 for this fucking shift knob. And the guy says, oh yeah, I'll take it, and I'll fix it, and I'll send it back to you. And Ronnie signs the paper, not realizing that he doesn't have another one.
I have another one. It's in my car, and I don't have a plier to undo the thing.
Yes,
so
we
I
have
can
to
take it
have
off.
pliers to take shit off.
Okay, so he has a
But then
stock
that means
shift
I would've
knob,
lied, and he'd have been
but
like,
the
well, fuck you,
fitment,
I'm not getting you back.
the fitment to fill the aftermarket shift knob onto your stock shifter is stuck on the threading. This little bitty thing.
That thing.
This thing right there.
That. Yeah, fuck that thing.
Yeah, there's no way it's gonna come off by hand. Nope. We're gonna have to go get pliers. All right, now another problem is that somebody decided to ding Dylan's door, his rear door, and it's really bothering him. So now we're going to take my suction cup for my GoPro. This is probably really fucking close to my face right now. And see if we can pop this little dingo. It looks better, honestly.
Just keep fucking doing it, I guess.
Doesn't matter. So,
Yeah, you can't flip it around.
I can't flip it at all?
No, it autofocuses. It's focused on you.
Okay, well, you know, we were trying to find pliers this entire time. And I was like, oh, it's fine. I have my shifter in my bag. Bag's at the hotel.
You're fucking with me. You're fucking with me. No. Are you serious? Dude, how the fuck? You're gonna have to drive home without a shifter.
Without a shifter.
What the fuck? It's not on me. Not my car. I got a shift knob. I didn't give mine away, boy.
I didn't give mine away. He took it.
I said, Ronnie, ask somebody with the trailer, somebody with the drift car. They will have tools. First person I ask, they with the drift trailer, and they have tools.
You kept telling me to go fucking go talk to this person. Go talk to
Anybody.
And yeah,
But
I listened.
first person with the trailer, they have
Hey,
tools.
we weren't even that far in, okay? I didn't have a trailer option.
Or you can just talk to a guy with a Velociraptor. He's got tools in his car. They always break it down.
Or a GTO, get the tools out. Why don't I have tools?
If Chase was here with...
There we go.
Yeah, work it, Philbit.
All right.
See, I told you.
Now you have to drive like that till we get back to the hotel. And the stock shifter should slide on. It's not
Dude, that's gonna fucking suck.
well, I don't know what you want to do. Go buy another fucking shifter.
See if anyone has an extra. I
No.
just bought one.
It'd have to be the right thread.
Yeah, it has to be the right thread for the Z. All right, let's go take these back to this nice man.
Ah, fuck, that hurts.
said earlier, I didn't know if muscle would be accepted here because there wasn't a lot of muscle cars last year. But CTSVs, fucking Cobras, Vipers, Coyotes everywhere. I don't know, there's a lot of muscle here.
Nice snow sheets. We're all like fucking dead before we haven't ate.
Yeah, we haven't eaten at all since this morning, so we're gonna go get some food. I'm gonna charge my. We got Ronnie's shift off. Yeah. Is it screwing on perfectly? Mm-hmm. Sweetness.
Ronnie, now you know if you're in first, second, third.
Dude, did you not? No. There's no way to fucking tell. In reverse, when I was right here, I had to go.
We're gonna get some food. We'll walk over to Sonic across the street. I just touched your butt and it was nice. I'm gonna leave the camera here to charge. Yeah. Next time I see
Night meat.
night meat. Bam! Easy. Easy. No, no!
Put another dent in you, Veronica. Piece of shit.
You gotta go to 20 now, dude.
Fuck that, no. Sorry, Mom, I cussed too much.
Sorry, Mom. You got a white one?
Yeah,
You want the white one?
No.
You don't?
I bought it because I know you guys like the white one.
I don't like the white ones.
Hey, you said this is your favorite, right? Or the best? Someone said the white is the best. I don't remember who it was.
I don't know. Import Alliance is fun today, but I don't know, it just wasn't like as exciting as LS Fest was. But I know the night meet is gonna be good, so I'm like in the mood. I'm in the mood to actually film everything now. Thank you, Ronnie, for the monster. Probably shouldn't have this energy drink because I already had one today, but you know, whatever. Is that a V6? It sounded like a V6. Yeah, man, bug V6s.
Yeah.
All right, to the night meet. It got a little more packed than we thought it would, a lot earlier than we thought it would. I'm kind of overwhelmed right now. Look at this fucking place.
Look at the fan. Look at the camera.
I want it. I want it. I want it.
I want that one.
Dude, this camera looks so much better than last year. It's so...
I love this shit so much.
These are kind of like just the shots of just like how overwhelming and big this night meet is.
So
Nothing's happening right now.
So much louder underneath this.
God damn! It just took one fucking person and everyone breaks loose. This spot won't last long. Where you at, bro?
Is that loud? Coomer, where you at?
meet's too full, so people are doing this on the street. We got a cop.
They said, what?
We got a cop.
I already know what the
Do a burnout.
Do a burnout. Do it for Dale.
Hey, Mr. Cop, do it for Dale.
We dipped from the meat spot because not the fact that we thought we were going to get a ticket, but the fact that we knew everyone was piling out and running towards their cars. So we knew if we didn't get out now, we weren't going to get out. So we just went down the strip. I did a 40 roll with an LS1 Camaro, and now we're just here at a granite showroom, just empty business. Look at these boys. Get that shot.
Hell yeah, brother. Get the fuck away.
Your shadow. I guess this is the after meet.
Bro, this thing is fucking weird.
Yeah, we filled this parking lot.
Yeah, we did.
We got the fastest cars here.
On my boy. It's ladies. I like the build.
Hopefully this meet actually stays a little bit calmer, a little bit longer, so we can actually hang out and just, chill.
Still early.
You know how to party, don't you?
Huh? Oh, this is not my car. This is my buddy's.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
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 Sounds like tire smoke. It's like, I don't care if people are doing burnouts.
All this shit here.
What? The Z Squad,
I did this. I did that.
You did this.
I did that.
As I was saying, I don't care if people are doing burnouts and raising hell and shit and two-step, but God, why do the fucking trucks have to be here? This is Import Alliance. I want to see cars. I'm sorry,
I wouldn't
but
mind
fuck.
if the import had started it, but it's the trucks that are starting it.
No, the same truck that started it at the farmer's market has a fucking train horn on it, and it started doing a burnout when we were trying to have a chill meet. They're the ones starting it, instigating it, and getting us kicked out.
I had given my Grip Royal shifter back, and I was like, oh, I'll just throw mine on. So I went back to my car. I was like, I don't have any fucking pliers. Couldn't get the screw off because it's a different threading.
Yeah. So
Got it off. We finally found
5 miles back to the hotel with no
the
shit.
screw. Oh my god!
Just the fucking.
Were you shifting?
Yes.
Screw. Did you get that on camera?
Yeah, I got him having to drive it.
He's backing up.
Yeah, just adjutant. So good right now. He's taking up 2 spots.
Ronnie, god damn it. Fucking just hold his car back. God.